Hello guys, welcome to Cryptic Tech YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Well guys, today I come with a very legit update, which is EntityFinance. EntityFinance is a cross-chain growth engine aimed at harmonizing the Web3 ecosystem. They launched the Spacerace campaign. You can earn points now that will be converted to ENT. Yes, you can actually earn points now that will later be converted to ENT from EntityFinance. So the Spacerace is a gamified airdrop campaign where participants they complete weekly missions to earn Astro Credits and loot boxes. You complete missions and refer other people to earn ENT. So, and these Astro Credits are airdrops points earned by signing up, completing tasks, and referring friends to this Spacerace. So when you refer your friends to this Spacerace, you earn Astro points, or which is Astro Credits rather. So you earn Astro Credits by referring or signing up and completing tasks. So at the entity token generation, which is the TGE, Astro Credits will be converted into ENT tokens. So all the points you earn, all the Astro Credits you earn during the testnet, the task you completed, so will be converted into ENT. So the more Astro points you get, the more ENT you get during the TGE. So and these loot boxes are weekly rewards for completing missions on time. So when you complete a mission on time, each mission comes out every Sunday, or Monday. So when you complete this mission on time, you earn loot boxes, and these loot boxes can either be Astro Credits as well as other special prizes. So guys, let's move on to the tax. So guys, check the description. The link to this airdrop tax is on the description, so check the description to get the link. So yes, you click on this 3 dash at the top. You click on this 3 dash. So what you do next is you click on login. So then you move to sign up. So then you enter your email address and put in a password. So email address, so I'll be using sync. I'll use this address. Then you put in a password. It could be anything. So just make sure it contains both letters, numbers, and special characters. So yep. Yeah, although I have other accounts, this is not my first account, so I just, because of this video, so I decided to make another create another account. So then yes, you click on continue. So you'll be sent a mail to your email. So you just move to your email to check. So yeah, here's it. So just confirm your email, and that's all. Confirm your email, then you are good to go. So then you go back to the space entity. Make sure you log in. You log in. So you click on continue. So you click on continue. Then so now what the next thing to do is you complete tasks. So these are the taxes. So this one you find out more about Entity, which is optional. So you just watch to earn some points.
Hey astronauts, welcome to the space race. At Entity.
So yes, after watching the video, you click on complete tax. Yep, you get points, 25 points. Can you see the points? So then you move to the next. You just fill in your email address, click on submit. Okay, sorry, yes, click on submit. You earn another point. So you can also connect your Galaxy account to this to earn 50 points. So just move to the next one, which is sign up. You put in your email address, that's all. So then you move to the missions, start earning Astro Credits. So you move to the missions to answer some questions. Which is this. So the first mission is this. So you just start with the first mission. If you ask a question, so after going through all this, you just need to answer. So the answer of this is reaching Entopia. So this should be the answer. Submit. Awesome, you get 180 Astro credits for guessing the answer. So you move to the next. So I'll be dropping the answers to these questions on the description. You can check the description, the answers are there. So yeah, we move to this. Yeah, I've done this before. So the answer to this one is error network, which is B. Then this so yeah, the second answer is D. Then why this is C. What is the utility of JLD, which is all of the above. Fourth, check, should be sure, D. Then the fifth question, the answer is C. Then the sixth question, the answer should be on-chain factor as a case of about hardware. Let me check to be sure. A, which is on-chain factor authentication. Then 7, the answer should be 7, should be C. Then 8, the answer is B. So you submit. Yep, you get 380 points Astro credits for answering the other question correctly. So let's go back to the last and final mission, which is this, the third one. Who founded Cosmos? Is Jack Cohen and Ethan Buchman. Then 2, why is Cosmos created? To make financing almost, to make blockchain world more interconnected. That should be the answer. What type of consensus mechanism is Tendermint? The proof of stake. Then what was the first ever Cosmos chain? Should be Cosmos Hub. Then which protocol did Cosmos build for cross-chain communication? Should be IBC. What are app chains? A different customized interconnected chains. Should be a different customizable interconnected chains. What is Cosmos SDK? Is a developer kit. Which of the following is not a Cosmos chain? It should be Solana, obviously. So submit. Yup, you get 580 Astro Credits for answering the last question correctly. So let's move. I might think that should be all, but to get your referral link, come to Flight Desk. Yes, as you can see, I've got 580 Astro Credits for completing the tasks. So you can check back every week for new tasks. So as you can see, out of 32,000 people doing these tasks, I should be in the top. I'm in top 6,000. As you can see, this is me here in top 6,000. So to get your own referral link, just come to Flight Desk, then you click on copy, then share your referral link to your friends on Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. So that should be all. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family, and also drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, bye for now.